Hello, my name is Dr. Joe. I'm a scientist and I'm going to talk to you about seals today. Not that kind of seal. Seals the animal. There are 18 species of true seals in the world, including 2 species of true seals in the UK and no sea lions. When you've finished this video, why not go and watch my video on seals and sea lions to find out the difference? In the UK, we have 2 species of seal. The common seal, sometimes known as the harbour seal, Phoca vitulina, and the grey seal, Halocheirus grippus. There are some similarities, but also some differences in how to spot them. The common seal, or harbour seal, has a shorter nose and a rounder face. They have V-shaped nostrils. You'll find them hauled out on sandbanks or sandy beaches when they're not swimming in the sea. The seals come ashore to give birth, but their pups can swim straight away. They lose their fluffy white lanugo coat in utero before they're born. Despite being called common, they're actually less common than grey seals. Common seal pups are born in summer, and there are about 50,000 common seals in the UK, which represents about 5% of the world population. The grey seal, or Halocheirus grippus, are larger than the common seal. They're found all around the coast of the UK. The grey seal has parallel nostrils and a Roman nose, so a much longer nose. And in fact, Halocheirus grippus means hook-nosed sea pig in Latin. Grey seals also come ashore to give birth, and they can haul out on sandy shores and also on rocks. Their pups are born in the autumn. And the pups are born still with their fluffy white lanugo coat, and they're not waterproof, so they can't swim until they're a week or 2 old. There are about 110,000 individual grey seals around the UK, which represents about 38% of the world population. So seals are found all around the coast of the UK. Common seals on sandy beaches and grey seals on sandy beaches and rocky shores. The Wash, this area here, between East Anglia and Lincolnshire, is a really important breeding ground for seals. In fact, it's the single most important breeding ground for common seals in the UK and possibly even in Europe. The sea is quite shallow here and very sandy. You find lots of seals hauled out. They need to swim in the sea to catch their food, however, and seals dive for fish. Most dives last between 1 and 3 minutes, but they can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes, diving down to between 10 and 50 metres to catch fish. Sometimes there's competition between grey and common seals at some sites, and also between seals and fishermen. The distemper virus in 1998 decimated the seal population, especially common seals, and it's estimated that up to 50% of the population was lost. Unfortunately, seals are prone to a variety of infections, getting caught in fishing nets, and their pups are at risk of being abandoned by their mothers if breeding sites are disturbed. So it's really important that you keep a safe distance and don't let your dogs on breeding beaches. Can you do some secondary research? It's a key scientific skill. And maybe find out about some other animals today.